A girl might ignore you or be mean to you in order to test your confidence while you're flirting with her. But if you're telepathically connected to that girl, you will naturally know the right moves in order to overcome this difficulty. You do not have to learn pickup tactics or psychology tricks from dating gurus and pickup coaches in order to pass this confidence or congruence test. You just have to know how to get telepathically connected to the girl that you desire. Your mind is infinitely powerful. You have to understand this. Yogis have always called your mind to be God because your mind extends as your personal reality. And I understood this principle during COVID lockdown when I was not allowed to game anyone because I had to stay within the confines of my own home. Then I started to develop anxiety and panic attacks. To heal these annoying mental health issues, I decided to turn inwards. I started to meditate. I started to focus on spirituality and study about consciousness. And that's when I found out that Neville Goddard, a very prominent spiritual leader, has already said that your imagination creates your personal reality. So right now, if you're currently facing anything in your life that do not please you, then I am 100% sure that your mind, your imagination is not right. Your state of consciousness, due to all these negative self image, all this negative self talk, all the mental imagery which are negative, is low. Because of your state of consciousness, you have attracted all these terrible circumstances in your life. Now, in order to attract wonderful circumstances in your life, you just have to upgrade your state of consciousness. You have to use your imagination wisely. You have to know the power of mind. And one of the most wonderful thing to attract is the girl that you desire. You can get the girl that you desire. You can pass all of her congruence test, all of these confidence test simply by using your mind, using your imagination, using telepathy in order to communicate with her on a very mental plane. You do not have to lift a single finger in order to get the girl of your dreams in this visible world. No techniques required, no outer game techniques required. Just your imagination. But in order to make your imagination powerful, you first have to get into a very receptive attitude of mind. And that is done through Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra, or non-sleep deep rest protocol, is a process through which you guide your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation or a sense of sleepiness. This is when your breathing rate starts to slow down. When your breathing rate slows down, your brain waves start to slow down as well. When your brain waves start to slow down, you become calm, relaxed, and you'll be able to think in pictures. You'll be able to visualize clearly. Now, all these mental pictures, these images, this visualization are ready to go and impress themselves into your deeper subconscious mind, into your pure awareness. So after you do Yoga Nidra, what you're going to do is you start to create an imaginal act where you're talking to the girl that you desire, and she has her pupils dilated because she is so attracted to you. She is complimenting you, saying things like, "Oh my God, you're so amazing. I'm so lucky to meet a guy like you." You guys are kissing. You're holding her in your arms. You guys are sipping a coffee or a wine together, watching a beautiful mountain range or a beach. Provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act. The things that you can see, hear, taste, touch, smell. And this imaginal act must signify that you are now already with the girl that you desire. Now the third step is hold your attention on this imaginal act and mentally rehearse them over and over again until you start to feel the feelings of joy or satisfaction or gratitude or victory. But this is difficult because your attention has a very monkey-like nature. It likes to go to one past traumatic event. It starts to jump to another future worst-case scenario of your life where you are getting rejected. But if you manage to discipline your attention and place it on the imaginal act where the girl of your dream is already on your arms. She's already with you. You guys are already in a beautiful romantic relationship. Then you're going to feel all these elevated positive feelings. Now, what you've just done is you have combined this wonderful imagination with elevated emotions, with positive feelings. This imagination plus feeling is a program that is ready to go and impregnate your subconscious mind. Now, your subconscious mind is a vessel. It just likes to receive whatever you have impregnated to it. It does not care if you have programmed bad things in your subconscious mind outpictures it. If you have programmed good things in your subconscious mind will outpicture that good program into your visible world as well. So now that your subconscious mind is impregnated with this amazing, wonderful program where you are already with the girl that you desire, your subconscious mind will outpicture that imagination into your visible world. The girls in your visible world, the people that you desire, will start to lose free will, and they will suddenly start to notice you. They will start to compliment you. They will want to be with you. People in your visible world will start to lose free will, and suddenly events, situations will take place in your life where the imagination that you performed will start to materialize in your world. You will start to lose free will, and you will just utter the right kinds of words. You look at her in a certain flirtatious way. You will just do the right kinds of moves in order to get the girl, and it will be effortless. It will be so natural. You do not have to learn any pickup tricks or any psychology tricks in order to pass this congruence test or confidence test. Even if the girl that you desire is throwing you all sorts of obstacles, you'll just find the right things to say and do the right things, because your subconscious mind has already programmed you to get that girl. Your subconscious mind has already implanted a thought in the girl's brain that she is supposed to be with you. Now it must happen in the most unexpected manner. So do this exercise for at least 30 days, because a normal human being cannot visualize strongly. A normal human being cannot hold his attention on a desired imagination. A normal human being cannot hold positive feelings for a long period of time. He has practiced feeling bored, unworthy, and negative emotions for the majority portion of his life. So at least invest 1 month in this amazing visualization slash meditation exercise, and one day you land this program where you are already with the girl of your dreams, and suddenly that will get outpictured into your visible reality. You will just pass all this confidence test without any effort. Outer game will naturally happen because you have nourished your imagination, your attention, your feelings properly. This is inner game, by the way. The self image, the self talk, the feelings that are present in your body, this all comprises of your inner game. And when you have properly taken care of your inner game, outer game happens naturally. So if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a solid inner game so that you can completely disregard all these outer game tactics, pick up gurus, dating coaches, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.